Hello everyone, in this video we will review Stand Store and how to set up Stand Store in minutes. Stand Store is a simple online tool that helps creators, influencers, and small business owners sell digital products, services, or link directly through a professional storefront. It's great for selling things like ebooks, coaching calls, or course without needing a full website. To set up Stand Store, first go to their website and sign up with your Google. Once you're in, choose a plan that fits your needs. There's a free trial to get started. Then, start adding your products or services by filling in the name, price, and any files or links you want to share. You can also connect payment options like Stripe to get paid. Stand gives you a custom link to share your store, and you can add it to your Instagram bio, TikTok profile, or anywhere else online. The setup is fast and everything is easy to manage from your dashboard. Overall, Stand Store is legit, easy to use and perfect if you want to start selling quickly without building a full website. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.